This is Gary DeRoche with the Ting Point electrotherapy hamstring treatment. We're starting by putting a little bit of gel on the bladder Ting Point, which the meridian runs right through your hamstring. The reason we're putting the gel on there is because there's quite a bit of difficulty in getting good contact in that area. It's on the outside of the toenail of the little toe on both feet. There we are. It's a little difficult. The wires are already plugged into the pads, so we put a pair of socks on just to hold the wires and the pads in place. This is always a good idea, then you can get up and walk around while you're being treated. That's a hamstring injury. You can put 1 or 2 pads on each leg. One pad seems to do the job most of the time. Now if you wanted to put a wrap around those pads, you could get up and walk around with it in place. Insert the pins into the power pack and turn it on. There's the pads on the hamstring. And there's the pad on the little toe, the Ting Point. There you are.